going to tell you about how to motivate ourselves. As you know, life is not bed of roses. You face many problems in your life. That time you will feel alone, but you know that problems is not a permanent, but life is permanent. So please face the problems with patience and a smile. You know that I know that life is sustaining. Anywhere you do so different, that time you will face.
मैं शिवम त्रिपाठी और मैं संपूर्णानंद संस्कृत विश्वविद्यालय से आचार्य का छात्र होने के साथ साथ इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट में बतौर अधिवक्ता प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ। मुझे लगता है कि सृष्टि का सिर्फ जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पहलू मिला बोलने के लिए वो था यज्ञ। यू हैव लिसन एवर नेम ऑफ यज्ञ। ये सृष्टि का एकमात्र ऐसा वर्क है जो कि स्वार्थ के लिए नहीं बल्कि संपूर्ण सृष्टि के लिए किया जाता है।
It is useful to us. It gives information about the world. It is available in the market almost every language. Newspaper is the publication of news which gets printed on the paper and distributed to.
Although as the student life there are so many distraction and allurement, at the same time your mind is at free from the attachment. There are so many attachment. Pull down your elder people. There is attachment to the children. To
city name is Prayagraj. Prayagraj is also known as pilgrim. Prayagraj is situated on the bank of three rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Prayagraj most important event Kumbh Fair, Silk Fair and the Mock Fair.
My product digital notepad and its logo is DNP. You know this notepad is very simple but it's very useful of students and teachers and doctors and businessmen, because we easily save all the files and we easily download the books and we are easily read.
What is time? Time is very precious for all human beings. Why we are here? Because we just create our time, and that's why we are here for studying. So time is very precious. We should not waste our time. By the help of time, we are achieve our goals, and we can find out what we have and what we have not. That is the depend of time, and that is also power of time.
My name is Mohammad Zulkarnain Farooqi. I am from Garyawa and I am preparing for graduations, and apart from these I am preparing for spoken English in AIL, which is the largest institute of India of spoken English, and I am here to tell you the importance of English. So what is the importance of English? We have a lot of topics, we have a lot of languages also. In this world there are 6,500 spoken languages, and English is not even the most spoken language in the world. But
my city famous in opium factory, East India Company, and 80-20 हम रो नहीं पाते, सुख से सो नहीं पाते। जब हम रो नहीं पाते, सुख से सो नहीं पाते, जब हम खो नहीं पाते, तब बचपन याद आता है। जब चिंता सताती है, हमारे तन को खाती है, जब भी मन नहीं मिलता, तब बचपन याद आता है। जब हम टूट जाते हैं, जब अपने रूठ जाते हैं, जब सपने सताते हैं, तो बचपन याद आता है।
हवाओं में बहेंगे, घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी, मैं तेरा बादल पिया, जो किरणा हजारों में किस
Dowry. Dowry means dahej. Dowry is the curse for our society. It's a chronic disease. It's spreading day by day in our country. Dowry was born in Babylon, present-day Iraq. Dowry system in England was introduced in the 12th century by the Norman, and the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, and the legislation comes from into 1st July 1961.
कोई भी लक्ष्य इंसान के प्रयासों से बड़ा नहीं होता। हारा तो इंसान है जो कभी लड़ा ही नहीं। मैं बात करूँगा मिल्खा सिंह की। मिल्खा सिंह 80 रेसों में से 77 रेस जीते थे। क्या कारण था उनके जीतने का, मैं यही पॉइंट रखूँगा कि क्या वो रेस में तेज़ थे या फिर दौड़ने में तेज़ थे। नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। वो उनकी सफलता का कारण यह था कि क्योंकि उनके पास हर बार कोई ना कोई गोल था। जब पहली बार रेस जीते थे तो ये कारण था कि
लग चुकी है तलब मंजिल की, अब खुद को आग में झोंक देंगे। कि लग चुकी है तलब मंजिल की, अब खुद को आग में झोंक देंगे। ये ठोकरें कहती हैं मारा जाएगा, कि ये ठोकरें कहती हैं मारा जाएगा, हौसले कहते हैं देख लेंगे।
Once a boy asked to his father, Dad, what is the value of our life? His father did not say anything and gave a strange stone and said to his son that go in the market and ask to the price for this stone for different people and at different places. He went in the market and saw a woman who was nurturing and watering the plants in her garden.
Of everyone's life, the bond that we share with each and every individual of our family, it's not only create a respectful relationship but also transfer a house into the home. Basically, there are two types of family: joint family and nuclear family. In joint family, it consists of grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, sibling. But in nuclear family, it consists of parents and their kids. In India, the joint family's existence from the decades. In joint family, the responsibility should be given to each and every individual of the family.
We can search where we can share any videos, any image, any pictures, anything we can share. Videos. If computer based, it is computer based on electronic media. Today, newspaper is a medium of communication from people and the world. Newspaper is also improve our communication and so many. In a newspaper, you can see so many vocabs and you can learn.
In our life, in my opinion, the value of healthy life gives us the opportunity to make our life beautiful, spriteful, and delightful. In today's life, people are so busy and struggling to making their life full of efforts and making wealth and comfort. Due to this, it's the invitation of diseases. Making wealth and comfort is not bad, but giving our whole life is so bad. Value of health is just like that, value of our planet and also value of our family. According to Health Index of India,
भरी भरी और तुम मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो। आँख है भरी भरी और तुम मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो। जिंदगी खफा खफा और तुम दिल लगाने की बात करते हो।